Sorry, I don't mean to drag you into it.
You're good.
What's going on, man?
What can I do you, sir? What can I do you, sir?
What can I do you, sir?
You got your license on you?
Yes, sir. It's in my pocket. Mind if I reach for it?
What'd you say?
It's in my pocket.
No,
Mind if I
what'd you
reach
say
for
at
it?
first?
You sorry?
What'd you say at first?
It's in my pocket.
No. Before that, you said something.
To him?
No, to me.
I'd say, what can I do you for?
What can you do for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry, it's just a saying.
Okay. You got your license?
Yeah, it's in my pocket.
Yeah, go ahead and grab it.
No weapons and nothing.
Okay. I got you stopped because you didn't use your turn signal when you changed. You were behind that car. You changed from the.
Yeah, I didn't want to pass. I know you're supposed to get over.
No, I'm saying you didn't use your turn signal when you made the lane change. Why are you driving like that?
Are you the owner of the motorcycle, sir?
What's up?
Are you the owner of the bike?
I got bad hearing. I'm sorry.
Take your helmet off.
Sure.
And then, do you have the registration insurance
Yes.
for the bike? Where's your plate off then? Okay.
It was hitting the wheel. It's an aftermarket now, obviously.
So, I mean, if you want to try to bend it back a little bit, that way it's properly displayed.
Yeah, I can. Just worried it's gonna hit the wheel. That's all.
You're able to find your paperwork?
Yeah, it's all right here. I got it on my phone and.
Do you have a mirror on your bike?
Yes. My helmet's on it right now.
Just take it off so I can see it.
Sure.
What year is this?
22.
22. And then your insurance is on your, this is your Ducati or your Yamaha?
This is a Yamaha. I have 4 bikes. 5.
So this plate comes back to a Yamaha.
Yeah, no, this is a Yamaha.
So that insurance is for your Ducatis.
No, I
You
have Yamaha and
okay.
207.
There you go.
I have a couple. Sorry.
No, I just didn't see it. I just only got that one. All right, there's that for you. Just give me a minute. Take your license back for me, man. Make sure you use your turn signal when you're making those lane changes. And you're in the, I already told you about your plate, but just pay attention to, make this stand up. Just make sure you got it straight up and down, okay? Yes. Any questions you have for me, man?
No.
All right, you're all set. Appreciate your stopping. Have a good night, okay?
Have a good one.
He give you a ticket?
Nah. I'm legal. I got nothing to worry about.
Oh, was your hot rodder?
No, I wouldn't do nothing.
Friday night.
You're just checking all my paperwork, that's all. Well, he really ran me through the ringer on that one, boys. That's why I always say, ride with insurance, ride with your registration, ride with everything on you. Dude, he even checked if I had a mirror. That's crazy. I've never been checked for that. Crazy. Dude, honestly, I was expecting him to walk out with a ticket for not using my turn signal. I'm like, bro, finger slip, bro. It happens, you know, this little knobby thing down here. Your finger slips, it happens. That's crazy. I've never. Alright, well, it's just exhausting, bro. I'm tired. Look, it's just a routine stop. It happens all the time. The cops, they just check your... Literally already got another ticket from another cop. $50 ticket. I'm just like, I'm not in a mood. I'm not in a good mood. And it's like, look, I get it. It's towards the end of the month. And as soon as he figured out that I'm fully legal, he immediately got out of there. Because I'm sure he wanted to get me for a fat stack of stuff. But didn't have anything on me because got a clock root radar. I don't know, man. Listen, if you're respectful towards me, I'm going to be respectful back. It's just all there is to it. And routine stops happen. Forgive me. Not in a good mood. God, I just want to go home.